Hi guys, we received this stone bath which is non-slip and for event purposes, and I actually quite like it. I've seen this upon social media and I've seen that they are great. Okay, so let's take it out of its box. It comes very well protected, which is really nice. It's made of Diatomite, which is a natural siliceous rock, and you just rinse the powder of the surface of the mat when using it for the first time, something I'm not gonna do. You need to put the anti-slip mesh under the stone mat, which is this one. It's gonna be in there. These are really nice because well, have highly absorption properties, which reduce the chances of getting any mold in it. It's anti-slip, so you won't have any issues with it slipping when you get out of the shower, and can be used at your shower, at a pool, as a pet bowl mat, so your pets don't make that much of a mess. So I'm going to get it up here. Some more tapes on it. Here it is. I'm actually quite excited. You get this sandpaper to clean it. You can just remove all the dust that is excess, which is really nice. Here is the non-slip. So let's go and we'll give it a quick rinse to get off this dust. That it's something you need to do when you first unpack it, and let's put it up on my bathroom. Let's go. Okay, so I will over here in the bathroom, a shower actually, and I've already get the dust off, so let's see how fast it absorbs the water. As you guys can see, almost instantly after you compress with water, it starts absorbing it, which is something really nice. Just like that, in a matter of mere seconds, it's drying, which is really nice. Really great. It's more cleaner because it doesn't get all that mold that with regular carpet you get. You don't need to clean it all that much like a regular carpet or mat, which is really nice. It has a beautiful design, which I quite like, and it's slim, sleek, fancy, and it's pure rock, which is really nice, and I will actually really recommend it. See ya.